sas ensem wa ehins no oka o my do bia ese sebio wanu etimi epa because o hwe spa say eyempanifo no omunim nyansa pa na so edu bia sebio na nyansa no sebi na omu yibi na ato nchen na sebio no omu eye bogus thing kwa no man omu eye e wo man nimu na omu eye bogus thing e wo system nimu ene bia na me ka say baby a Kennedy e Japan obia no oman ese obi afa ne bo no onfa enkoma saman we because man we asembie ni wa oka oma animo de bia meka say me boss 99.99% in some okay now oma eye no correct this on ohun and the people like this no any can say oma ye do omo e di agrokra say tiafo be ka ya Kennedy e Japan emre bi oka ye say sa stupid boy we sexy dondon esiedu dan esiedu a okum JB dankoi Kennedy Japan e kan sasem we say we hu na wate na osan wo info no say san guy we oisu phone e wo say honum awo please one oisu phone na say oko na so person oji phone kwampo or threat a lot of prison officers some we are obekum Ken akan sasem we na so man dia me answer ken e kan sasem we no na ban e no so na so because of say aban no omo eye bogus ntino omo amfi em drum cheso because of say aban no eye bogus entoma omo amfi and ask yourself say even nipa onu okun kwabo nipa po eye aban we kwabo omo kronfo na so man still no trust me case no adai wo de ma wi baba nsem bi nchira na sa news we aban no o man Sadis we about there say Yanya Woduma. Just a midampo amina. Midampo mamina. Set here for Bekaya on the 9th of February 2016. I was Shashi, I won't come and I yakum JB Dankwa Edu. Alright, and I yakum JB Dankwa Edu. Ah, no way MP. I was a Bokwa North. And I kum no. Na dear man so omukum sa papa wenu. Na end this for no power. Na end this for no na ka few months. Amamuta maso. Nanso MPP for bogus for including na domo. Omu ko JB Dankwa Edu fie. E ko ka chebusa for say omu ninkofo omu ekum JB Dankwa. Na ono so omu ba ben mu a. Oman ombe ti sa nkrofo. Ama odi oman yen fokati enu krampo. Okay. Ye chi sa session don do we kra no because ensem no ye twa so ye si ye chi sa session don ya okum JB Dankwa dum ye chi no o kan bibi say we ena suma me because my so udi boni a adano a ye chi no adano a ehu a wo mu nti no wo be ka no kre ehu a wo mu nti wo be ka no kre but ade echi ade esa na no na say ye do e ko she prison no a na say sell no a ukọ ha obekọ akoshia cellmate for and then they will begin to give you different ideas. Say, Charlie, what can say? Na me cramp on me da cramp no. Me case mpuno a dozen so dear. Nelson experience me now. Obi catch him say, min can say, anything. Na some delay. Anything. The first attempt, and the first time now your cheese sex don't know. I say more kaya. Sebio, COP dampare. This information. Oh my, we have to go to Dampare because Dampare cross our fat and the question you ask and say, now MP before can say a end is for the Kumuno. Says no, Mobile Bayemu. Says next month on the 9th of February. No, now I have 4 years. Next month, now Yanya 4 years. I kum MP and a ban where soon JB Dankwa Edunu. On my test, where you cook for them on family. Toto Muke. And you ask yourself, say, out there now, Sakas will, or when you say, or my NOB can say, as you say, many, Rosa, never said, Usa, ever fear to go, Sakas with the Ayobiana. Or my Sakas with Ayobiana, and more beer and can say, a end this for the Kuno, say, end this for the Kuno, Muna more power, Mukwacho, dear. Ample one of MP before MP be a cancer, no, Massa. Tamna because uko escafo omu area mu a obia wo camera boho obia wo CCTV camera e boho enti ade bia obia bia e capture enti hwamu enekura sa video no because the man can say sa video no on we hu video no na kan na omudi sesi don e ba ho no sa kan no enye common car no eye sikafo bi car enti no CCTV no etimi capture car no number enti ade na nka yesi ye leaders o man mu a leaders no omutimi enko tracy enhwe saa car number no na ye tracy ehu nipa car no eye dia enti after say you be who the owner of the car no then o man na ehu nipa okum no nanso up to now yesi your bogus leaders wo o man obi en fit asem we o man me fire oh obi ani wo na say MP no woni o man pani enenam woni empenfo nam na say obi atime ko bo pa ekum no a o man ask yourself say you as a common from member no me no mienu de yekun de a ade bechi no omo de beto bola so enti nsem say bidru a me enka say we MPP ni we NDC ntino ye fire o be fire back. We have to fire them. The same thing they wanted to do to my boss Kennedy and Japan and no or survive here. Oh, and he can't go on a war with Siano. The Ayamian said, Oko Parliament, we have about 200 and something people. I'm going no so my Obian was a same way. What can want them that? Now the Ayamian said, Sa part to end this from the bogus forever. Because Nippon and yet end this Nintino who are own Jimmy Abino, Nippon ye end this into a war matter on call baby. And now almost so Nippon so every party MPP for the almost bogus ever. Bogo and classic for Kuama. Classic for a goom. Ye kum Mudisia pa, ye kum Mudisia pa. Sebio, Nippon or kum ye timachi Nippon. I'm a Nippon. I confirm, say yes, I killed him. So we are just waiting for the person who sent him. Alright, ye train nipa osuma no. Nemo no nipa okum ye hu nipa no. Nemo no ye train nipa osuma no. And up to now, are you telling me say ye hu nipa osuma no na? Because the sexy don ebe jinan kaso on kan kura. What we can do is man ye train ni part of the body. Never acid and gum obeka no kure. Nanso no ye bogus leaders and omo ho na sebto be a wofi ten kono mo pe. And omo cockroach that stupid boy way sexy don and omo e crocro no hwe oman Kennedy Japan e ka say sexy don o isu phone e wo office wo na say e wo nkrampo e na ofre some of the gurus members omo e wo court say masa sa semonu we mistake am kumu all threaten omo e ma Kennedy asemu by odi ba no bogus leaders no bogus then IGP bogus then CID obi eni ho asem no so mu Emma Semono Akoda She Enra Enkosi one of the prison officer your friend ASP Frank Jenfi Frank Jenfi no according to information no you can say medium security prison officer no I want in some one na or share sasi don so. Now information say when who say session don or isu phone and to okoye echo season ni phone and your course is in the phone say no emma session don ebufuye and or threaten ASP ni say masa say one family phone ama me a me shall da say me kum minisika ebekum o man obi a wo sell a wo no wasem e da so court a yen kan sem no wie no onim say boni a wo die no eson dodo no it could become say ibekum no o man anka opu de sebisa udi bonimpo e wo inside po and obimpo achew akom amakrampo o man you have nothing to say Nelson because of say this guy you know he know very well say he have strong people at the back of him and ntino mo hwe the kind of nsem o man all can no threat officer say or this can ever won and no tie ba sa no thanks God say o kan asem we no na enya officer no kwa no ho na enkofo bi susu ho ntino asem e ba sa no o mo report asem no akwakomo empanifo amasia no yesan asem no san court biom enjesia no session don we no sa aboa we sa jimi ni sebi we no yesan case no akoda na mienu o ensia no court case no adana mienu say obese okum obi second no we kum obi dada o ma munte case no we kum obi dada e na wo sell ho no e na sesia no yenya final judgment ni mayo e na sesia no was na different case nso no osan ekokum obi. He killed and now he wanted to kill again. Right? O man be na sebio sa bogus thing we be see also. This is my Ghana. This is Ghana. O man and I me catch us o man penny you are doing good job. But Massa, Omo di born in the Massa, the law must deal with them. But when you team found law and family one it's about case IGP and he thanks God says yenya new IGP and yenya new chief justice and you see yen share near omono and to work hard.